If you need to lock your card on Robinhood, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Locking your card can help prevent unauthorized transactions. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your card and other preferences. Step 3. Select Card Options. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Card or Debit Card. Tap on this option to view your card settings and management features. Step 4. Lock your card. Within the card settings, you should see an option to lock your card. Tap on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. This will immediately lock your card to prevent any transactions. Step 5. Confirm lock status. After locking your card, check the status in the card settings to ensure it is marked as locked. You can also review any additional options for unlocking your card when needed. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Robinhood to enhance your account security. If you need to unlock it later, simply follow the same steps and select the unlock option. Stay safe and secure while using your financial tools.